The Pebblewish Way. Far away, in a quiet place called Dreamdrop Meadow, where the wind hummed soft songs to the trees, lived two little siblings, Nia and her younger brother Bo. Their house was tucked between tall, whispering trees, and every night stars blinked above their roof. One morning, Nia found a leaf under her pillow. On it, a shiny path was drawn with tiny dots and lines. In the middle, it said, "Follow the Pebblewish Way. Your heart will guide you." Bo's eyes lit up. "Can we go, Nia?" Nia smiled. "Only if we go together." They began their walk, hand in hand, step by step. The path was soft and magical. Little pebbles giggled when stepped on. Green moss made pillows for their feet, and the trees gently whispered, "Keep going, brave hearts." Soon they came to a hill of sleepy clouds. It felt like the sky had come down for a nap. Bo stopped. "I'm tired," he said. His feet wanted to rest, but his heart still wanted to dream. Nia sat with him and held his hand. "We don't have to hurry," she said. "Let's listen." A breeze passed, carrying a soft song. A glowing bird with moonlight feathers appeared. It sang, "The Pebblewish Way is not just a path, it's the way you walk, with kindness and wonder." Bo looked up. "Like when you waited for me?" Nia nodded. "Yes, that's how we walk it." At the end of the path, they didn't find treasure. They found something better, a field full of warm, glowing pebbles, and in the center stood a mirror made of sky. It showed them, hand in hand, eyes shining, hearts full of love. That night, back home under the starlit roof, Bo whispered, "The best part was walking with you." Nia kissed his forehead. "Me too." And Dreamdrop Meadow whispered, "Some paths are made of love."